Hi, my lesson is going to be on Suggestopedia. I'm going to attempt to do a lesson similar to what was presented in our video this week. I really like that information just because I think if you have students that are very nervous or having a hard time, that helping them to relax in the classroom would be helpful. So in the background, I'm going to be playing some music. I just wanted to kind of get a little introduction of that, and I'm going to shut that off because I want people to be able to hear me, and I'm afraid you won't be able to hear me if I have that music playing too loudly or too close. I've prepared a little bit of a script. The girl Mary looked into the mirror. Mary needed to get ready for her date with her boyfriend, Bob. First, she combed her hair. Then she checked her makeup. Then she decided to call Bob. Mary picks up the cell phone and calls Bob. Hi, Bob. When will you come and pick me up? I think we should go to a movie tonight. The rest of my lesson, the students will be going over the terms. The teacher will have some of these words on the board, as well as some phrases. I would have lots of items for acting out scripts, and if there was time left and for advanced students, I would encourage them to come up with their own phrases and skits using different items. Thank you so much. Have a great day.